Hello and welcome to ThriftCart. ThriftCart offers software applications designed for reuse stores. And here I'm going to demo the donation pickup scheduling application. Three goals we hope to accomplish with this application include 1. To save staff time. Calendars, spreadsheets, and maps can be used to get the job done, but ThriftCart's app is designed to do the analytical planning thought for you. And 2. To save fuel with route optimization and pickup zones. Zones are subsections of your serviced pickup area designed for efficiency and cost savings. For example, in this map of Raleigh, North Carolina, we have divided a serviced pickup area into 6 zones, in which we offer pickup services during different days or times of a week. For example, we may offer pickups in Zones 1 and 2 on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, Zone 3, 4, and 5 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Zone 6 on Saturdays. Or we may offer pickups in Zones 1, 2, and 3 in the mornings, 4 and 5 in the afternoons, and 6 only on Wednesdays and Fridays. Zones may be built as you see best for traffic flow, work schedules, typical number of pickups, etc. A third goal is to maintain or improve donor relations with saved contact information and tools for timely and accurate communication. To schedule a phoned-in pickup request, simply select Add Stop to Schedule and begin typing in the caller's name. ThriftCart stores contacts information and will automatically search this record base as you type in the name. If an exact match is found, you can select that record, confirm all contact information is accurate, and edit any information that needs updated. The system has multi-truck functionality, and at this time you can select which truck you plan to do the pickup in, enter a pickup date, and select which time block of the day you would like to do the pickup. Otherwise, you can select Suggest Date based on zones to see what days you are planning to do pickups in the zone with the donor's address. In this view, you can also see how many pickups are already scheduled on a particular day. For example, Monday the 7th, 6 of 8 pickups are already scheduled in the blue truck. Clicking on this icon, you can see what items are being picked up to assess if you think you will have room in your truck or not. You can override how many total pickups are allowed in a particular truck. This is just a system default to help you assess if there will be room in a truck for a particular pickup or not. Now you can select the items being donated. The blue icons indicate your store's departments and are customizable to your operations. Under each department, you may also set up sub-departments to track individual types of items being donated. Additionally, you may set up items that are not to be accepted. These items, shown in red, help remind your employees to not accept such donations. Additionally, under individual items, you may set quality requirements. For example, under sofa, we have this item must be free of rips, stains, tears, and pet contact, no sleeper sofas. This could remind your employee to read off such requirements to a donor to qualify a donation before scheduling it. If the item qualifies, you may select Yes, add this item. Next, you can request or require that a monetary donation be given along with the pickup. This can be a great way to help offset some of your pickup costs. A check or cash may be picked up by the driver. Also, a credit card can be processed over the phone. Extra information and notes may also be captured for internal purposes or for the driver's pickup schedule. For example, maybe the driver needs to call for a gate code upon arrival. Or you may keep an internal note for admin purposes. Estimating the stop size is not required, but may be helpful for assessing additional room in a given truck. Estimated stop duration time can be set to a default number of minutes. However, if you expect a stop to be extra short or long, this may be manually adjusted to help calculate estimated arrival time to each donor for follow-up phone calls. Confirmation email may also be sent to the donor at this time confirming the pickup. This may be either a soft or a hard confirmation. For example, a soft confirmation may state that the pickup is tentatively scheduled phone call will be given later on to confirm the pickup, or a hard confirmation may state that the pickup is scheduled and you look forward to seeing the donor on a given day. If desired, you may place a link on your website so that donors can self-schedule their own pickups. Here they will be directed to a form similar to this, where they will enter contact information. The system will automatically compare their address to your serviced area, verifying that they fall within your zones. If they do not, an error message will appear. If, however, their address falls within your serviced area, they will be shown a calendar with optional pickup days. You may set parameters such as pickups needing to be scheduled a number of days in advance, at which point any days falling outside those parameters will be highlighted in gray. The system also compares their address to your predefined zones, blocking out any days in which you do not service their zones and allowing them to select only from those days in which your truck is not full and their zone is serviced. Here, your various departments will be displayed for a donor to select what items they are donating. Again, quality prompts are given. A minimum number of items may be required for the donor to give in order to make the pickup worth your time. Photos may be optional or required, and if scheduling on a smartphone, the donor may snap an image with their phone camera. Otherwise, a photo may be uploaded from their computer files. Optionally, you may request or require a monetary donation. There may also be a requirement set to only certain days of the week, such as Saturdays, if monetary donations are required that day to make it worth running your vehicles. Terms may be agreed to and the pickup scheduled, at which point a confirmation email will be automatically sent to the donor. Again, this may be a soft or hard confirmation, informing that the pickup will be reviewed and confirmed later, or that the pickup is scheduled. Back in the admin view, if pickups have been self-scheduled, a red ribbon will appear informing you of such. By selecting this ribbon, you can view these pickups. Those highlighted in yellow are ready for review. Those in green have been confirmed, and those in red have been flagged for further review. You may also review any images that are attached to these pickup requests. Looks good. The day before your drive, or whenever it makes sense for your store, go to Route Optimization, select which truck and which day this drive is for. A variety of route parameters will be displayed, which may be left at their default settings or changed depending on that day's plans, such as the location you will be setting out from, if you plan to come back to a shop at midday, or if there's a particular donation you want to pick up first thing in the afternoon. Your start time may also be edited. At this point, clicking on Optimize Route, the information is sent to MapQuest, where it does the hard thinking for you and computes an efficient drive route. When completed, a message similar to this is displayed. The route has been optimized and the new order has been saved. A route sheet may now be printed or emailed for the driver. Emails may be opened on a driver's smartphone and will appear similar to this, giving a link to the address which will open on their preset navigation apps, and the option to edit, add, or reject items at the donation pickup locations. If rejected, notes can be entered as to why the items are rejected, such as damaged or poor quality. Such responses may provide information for management to set additional donation requirement prompts during the scheduling phase. If you desire to call donors before pickups for confirmation, reminder, or otherwise, by selecting on reminder calls and entering a date range, you can see all pickups scheduled within that time frame. Here, during a phone call, you may keep a note and track that the reminder call has been made. You can also edit stops, adding additional donations, or removing items as well. You can also send reminder text messages through the system if desired. Under the Report section, A few standard reports give a variety of information. For example, under the truck stop report, upon entering a date range, you can see the total number of pickups for a given truck, a list of items picked up, and the number of days between pickups being scheduled and picked up for all pickups, for self-scheduled pickups, and for non-self-scheduled pickups. You can also see what day of the week pickups are being scheduled and when they are occurring. Also what time of day pickups are being scheduled. This data may help determine when phones need to be staffed. Thank you for watching this video, and please do reach out with any questions you may have or to request a free trial account. This is Corbin with ThriftCart, 360-443-5557, or my email is corbin, C-O-R-B-I-N, @thriftcart.com.